Hi guys, I'm Juan and welcome to The Wonderful Life. Today I have something very exciting to share with you. I got some magic mail from the one and only Devoney over at Disney and Devoney. I have been gleefully waiting for this package. It's been a little over a week since she had sent it, but it has nothing to do with her, all to do with the craziness of USPS. I've been eagerly awaiting it. However, I did not expect for it to be this huge. Now, she framed this as being a belated birthday gift. I'm like, girl, this is not just a little token of appreciation. Definitely am shocked by the size of this box. It's nowhere near comparable to what I had gifted her for her birthday. I will link that video down below in case you missed it. Personally, spoiler alert, her response was everything. I'm really happy she enjoyed that box, and I'm really eager to get into this box, so I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's see what she sent me. Oh my gosh. Y'all, time and time again, friends in this community just go above and beyond. If you don't know, this is not my first YouTube channel. I had to make a new one due to YouTube being a pain in the bus. A pain. I'm really not focusing on subscriber count. I'm appreciative of everyone who's come over from my old channel. I'm very appreciative of all my new subscribers. It's the real ones that stick with you. You're just like, I can't believe I still get to live this fairy tale life. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so cute. It's very 4th of July themed, very summery. Oh my gosh. Look at this adorable detail. Okay, I'm definitely saving this because y'all know I have my Stranger Things collection. A huge part of that collection is Scoops Ahoy. This fits right in, so this is not going anywhere. I will be repurposing this. There is a card and more of these little ice cream cones. Devoney, what the heck? This is way too much. Y'all see this? This is crazy. Let me get into this card first. I am blown away. This is crazy. Gosh. Look how cute this is. Look at this Mickey Mouse card. It is a birthday card. So cute. Your birthday's here. Hope it's happy. Hope it's rad. Hope it's the best you've ever had. I don't have a great Mickey Mouse impression. I tried. So happy belated birthday. There's a little of everything in this box of things you love. Something new, something old, something for the thirst, something for your head. Enjoy, Dev. Thank you so much, Devoney. I love the little clues. Obviously, y'all have seen me with clues. They just don't connect. This does have a little bit of everything. I'm really excited to get into this. Sorry, I'm just trying to wrestle this card back into the envelope. Thank you for the card. For anyone wondering, my birthday was in March. So when they say belated, they mean belated. Let's start with the smaller item. My gosh, I'm already seeing in this box. No freaking way. Okay, we'll get to that. Ooh, oh my gosh. This wrapping paper is totes adorbs. I almost feel bad tearing into it. I'm ripping these suckers up. So let me put this box down, my gosh. Okay, so here is this vintage Fantasia for sure by the look of this artwork and just how aged this box is in general. This must be the something old. It says Walt Disney Fantasia 1940 to 1990. I was barely a year old when this thing came out. And it's this very cute little mug here. I am obsessed with this artwork. This is Mickey with the broomsticks who are doing his chores for him, or so he thinks. That's so fun. This is made in Japan. Did you find this on your Tokyo trip? Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm just taking a little look at it myself. Y'all, I love Fantasia. I cannot say more about that. So this definitely hits. Thank you so much, Dev. I love this. The music is just playing in my head. I'll go for this thinner one here. Maybe this is the wearable she was talking about. Again, this wrapping is everything. It came to reveal this little package. It feels like something I definitely love collecting. Y'all know what these are, right? Oh, it's another set of the ears. Okay, I love these. So these are the Fantasia recent release 85th anniversary ears. I'm not going to take them out of this bag because, again, I already own this pair. However, I can reuse this or regift this to somebody who are looking for these, but Dev, it's the thought that counts. We can't all be responsible for knowing what everybody has. We are just so much avid collectors. You know, we pick everything. There's no stopping us from getting things that we want. I really do love the sentiment behind this, so thank you so much, Dev. I love that. Hey, if something happens to those ears, I have a backup pair. But also, if you're looking for these, please go ahead and reach out to me on Instagram. We can talk shop. Other than that, super appreciate it, Dev. Thank you so much. Now we have this item here. Let's see what's in this box. So I've got it open. We have another wearable. Oh my God. What? Where did you find this? I had no idea that this existed. So this is the one, this is the wearable for the head. So the ears were a bonus, apparently. Oh my gosh. We have a Chernobog cap here. Yes! Y'all, Deb knows me. She gets it. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I will be wearing this. I love wearing my fandom gear. I do not have to be in a park to be wearing my fandom gear. It doesn't have to be a Comic-Con, nothing. I will just be wearing my stuff. People are like, do you own normal clothes? I do. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. So Chernobog himself is embroidered, and then we have this screen printing of the flame behind him. This is awesome! I have 2 Fantasia hats now. That's crazy. My gosh. Dang. Okay. I love this. And then here, it does have the insignia for Fantasia 85 years. Gosh, and it's a patch. Fun. Super fun. Thank you so much, Dev. I love it so much. He's so awesome. I'm gonna save the biggest item for last. We have this item here. I really do appreciate it. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. ¿En serio? Y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Sorry if the flashing light, you know, is doing something towards you. Oh, it has different settings. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Dev, did you put the batteries in for me? Thank you so much. This is so sweet. This is cool. I will definitely be drinking some cocktails out of this. So, I own nothing like this. So that was so fun. I really got to get my act together so I can make a trip to the parks. It's been so long. My gosh. So fun. Thank you for this. This is everything. Sorry, I have to run through the settings there. Dev, thank you so much. I love this. Now, y'all, what? This dust bag definitely comes with this Loungefly that, oh my gosh, has been on my wish list. When I saw it, I was like, I don't know if I'm going to get that. I don't have to wait anymore or debate that because Dev so sweetly cut it for me. You guys ever do like vision boards or stuff like that where you just like manifest things for yourself? I kind of like to do a list like that at the beginning of the year. Or if I see an item, like I'll just put it on like a page to like say, okay, that's on the list. This is definitely on the list. No, I don't have this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we have this Hercules bag. Gosh, again, I was like on the fence. I'm not sure I need to get this bag. I already have so many Loungefly as is. This is the one that just stood out to me because obviously we have the whole depiction here of Hercules, and it has that distinct art style that they've done for a number of bags where the eyes are kind of like slits there. They're very stylized. I love that artwork, and it's on multiple bags that have been on my radar. This one's no different. It has a full cast of characters. Not only do we have Hercules here lifting up this structure here, we have Pegasus involved, we have Megara, we have Phil, we have Hades and Pain and Panic. Gosh, and then it has the symbol of the gods as this front pocket, this circular front pocket that they do for a lot of bags lately. And I'm just like, Loungefly, we gotta move away from this. So people want better functioning front pockets. This is cute and all. We need to get past this. I have very few bags that have this feature for that reason, this drum type of front pocket. This was not meant for me to drag this gift by any means. It was just a segue that's been on my mind for a long time now that we got to move past this somehow. Either way, it still fits because obviously this is symbol of the gods. I do love the structure of this. I have to like bend these forward for this applique here that makes up the roof line. The colors on this bag is gorgeous, and it is shaped like the structure. You can see from the side here, we have more of the landscape with the sky. This is beautiful. It says Disney Loungefly, so it doesn't say Hercules. Clouds are in that style. We have the Greek key there. Then we have the rooftop. It has gold hardware. It doesn't have side pockets. You see you have here the stone versions of the muses themselves. Amazing. Absolutely love that. We have the padded back straps with more of that Greek key design here. It's beautiful purple. There's no back hit because all the work is almost 360, but not quite. Love it. Hercules is one of my other favorite collections. You can't really see it, so I'm going to put something here so you can see the interior better. It just has the insignia of Hercules, like a bust of his face, and it does have a gusseted pocket. Love, love, love. Thank you so much for this, Devoney. I am not worthy. This was so sweet, so thoughtful. I love Hercules. This is perfect. And now I own it. Yay. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Comment down below which item was your favorite that I shared with you today. I cannot pick a favorite. I love all these items. I am just so grateful for them. Thank you so much, Devoney, again. A huge thanks to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think that might like it. Be sure to stay tuned because I actually have another upload for you come Saturday. So be on the lookout for that bonus video. Till then, stay wonderful. Bye.